Welcome to the new session. My name Rudraya is a senior lecturer from BAPUC. In this session, I am going to explain the methods to solve a rectangular game. So coming to the introduction, as you know that rectangular game is nothing but 2% zero sum game in which one player's gain is the loss of a other player. So now there are two methods. The first method is maximin minimax principle and the second one is dominance principle. In this session, I am going to explain maximin or minimax principle. The first step, identify the minimum gain corresponding to each strategy of A. That means for each row, find out the minimum. Then write the row minimum on the right side of each row. In the next session, I'll explain this principle with a problem. Okay, then you will come to know that. Then write the minimum at the end of each row. Then find out the maximum among this. That is called maximin. Once again, first write down the minimum on each row. Then after completing all the rows, then take the maximum among this minimum, that will be called maximin. Now, coming to the identify maximum loss corresponding to each strategy of B. Already I told, if a player A is getting gain, then naturally player B is getting loss. So therefore, identify the maximum loss at each column. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ maximum ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. Then find out the minimum among these which will be minimax. ಆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಮಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಇಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಿನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್, ಗೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಿನ್ನು ಮಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಸಮ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎರಡು ಕೋಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let the position of the saddle point in a payoff matrix be R, S. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಯಾಡಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನು ಅದು RS ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ದ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ A is AR. ಸೊ A will be having course of action. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ we are going to select Rth position, and then suggested strategy for player B is BS. That is, we are going to select the S strategy for B. So R strategy for the A and S strategy for B. So that coincident point is called saddle point, and the payoff at the position of the saddle point is value of the game. The position where we are going to get a saddle point, that particular value is called as a value of the game. In the next session, I am going to explain this principle with an example. Then how to solve this maximin and minimax principle. Thank you.